HM, and we, the students of class 11th, have been given a golden opportunity by our academic head to present a video on how we can connect with our loved ones during physical distancing. Each of us copes with lockdown, work from home routine, and social distancing will vary from person to person. Some will be anxious, stressed, panicked, but some will be peaceful and more accepting. However, what we feel inside will radiate out and affect others. So how to lessen this stress and how to enrich our sense of community with our physical contact?
Good morning everybody. I am Prachi Sharma from class 11th E this side. Today I would like to explain you how we can feel connected with our loved ones despite physical distancing. Now, for this we need to follow some simple steps. First, we need to sit comfortably and gently close our eyes. Second, we need to bring the person we wish to in front of our eyes. Third, feel our heart connecting to their heart. And fourth, gently send love and care to their heart. By following these 4 simple steps, we can feel connected with our loved ones despite physical distancing. Now, the next thing comes here is that what is the importance of being connected with our loved ones by heart? Having our loved ones in our life can benefit our heart health. We know this very well. But having our loved ones in our heart can not only keep us physically healthy, but it can also improve our mental ability. One theory on why love is good for our health and heart is that blood pressure responds to calmness and peace. It's not just romantic love that can improve our heart health, but having close, loving relationship with our family and friends can also do so.
The news is full of stories of tension between children and parents, and between the elderly and other family members. How can we face the cabin fever we are experiencing during the lockdown? Perhaps this being together is an opportunity to accept each other's imperfections and strengthen our emotional connection.
Why not read one chapter of a book together and have a discussion? This will help us to connect with our friends in a more effective and fruitful manner. We have time now to work on our lifestyle choices. During this time, we can brush up our old hobbies, or we can also learn some new activities like painting, dancing, cooking, singing, and many more. Digital technologies are important for us to stay connected, but we can also take break from screen time and cultivate more family time.
To spend time with your family, you can enjoy your songs together, watch a movie, share your meals, and meditate together because it forms a very strong and deep bond between you and your family. The connection and joy you will feel will dissolve all your pain. By this, I'm not trying to deny or downplay the severity of current situation. We need to accept the reality and act accordingly.
Experiment with lifestyle choices. There are so many habits that could simplify our lives, like conserving groceries, fasting, and being careful about finances, rather than indulging in panic buying. There are so many tasks we normally don't find time at home, like spring cleaning. We can explore our creative talents, learn new skills, and cultivate healthy habits. We can help our elders and those who are less fortunate.
This pandemic is not only about keeping ourselves and families safe, but helping others in need. On one hand, this lockdown has proven to be useful to keep the numbers of COVID-19 patients in check, and on the other hand, it is the most disastrous and difficult times for a big section of our society. The ongoing lockdown in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic has affected the life of some of the most communities across the country, such as small-scale businessmen, local vendors, migrant laborers, homeless, farmers, rural poor, waste pickers. The government is taking necessary measures and helping the needy. Even we can do a bit as part of the society we live in. The following are the ways by which we can contribute whilst making social distancing and keeping safe. Number 1, we can do online donations. Number 2, collaborating with projects. Number 3, participating in fundraisers that provide food to the poor. Number 4, contribute to NGOs that are working towards in helping the most vulnerable.
You would like to experience inner stillness, peace, and joy. Take refuge from the other world in the stillness of your heart. Your heart is the doorway to a world of wonder and wisdom, feeling, and connection.
When we stay connected in the heart, we create the vibration of love around us. When we purify our consciousness, we dissolve all the negative thoughts, pollution around us. So let this unusual and challenging time be an opportunity for all of us to recalibrate our lifestyle.